Hello YouTube and welcome to a new Techsloth video. Yesterday I was at an NDA event of Honor. Honor is presenting the brand new Honor 9 Lite. This device will start today if you see this video. Launch day in Europe is the 6th of February. The price is 229, so 230 euros. And the first people who buy this device will get a 64 gigabytes micro SD card for free. But what is it? It is a 5.65-inch device with a Kirin 659 and 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. So you know the specs. These are exactly the same specs as at the Huawei P Smart device. And when I tested the P Smart, I was telling you guys, I'm pretty sure there will be a device coming from Honor with similar specs, just cheaper. And here we go. 260 euros to 230 euros with nearly exactly the same specs, but we got some differences here and there. Exactly, there are only two, but let's get to the device. The box is Honor Blue or Honor Bluish. It's already opened because it's a press sample, and on the back side we don't get much information. Only we see quad camera, full view display and 2.5D curved glass. And the design, yes, the design is number one that makes this device special, because we got the glass on the front side and on the back side. The device will be available in three colors again. We got this black or midnight black, we got gray or silver or grayish gray, and we get sapphire blue. And this is the blue version, which I think is the most prettiest of them all, because you see this again, this is like other Honor devices. This is the Honor blue color. We've seen this on the Honor 8, but this is lighter blue, and we get a lot of reflections. This is like a mirror, this device, definitely. But the design is really nice. If you want a device that turns heads, or that looks not like other devices, like the standard aluminum devices, like the Honor 7X or other devices from Huawei or other companies, this is definitely one device that stands out in terms of design. On the other side, of course, this is a glass backside. We got glass on the front, glass on the backside. We got this polycarbonate frame. This is not aluminium. Yes, of course, you got an aluminium frame below this, but above it you got this polycarbonate that feels like metal, but it ain't. So before I show you the fingerprints of this device, let's see what else is in the box. Again, this is a review unit, this press sample. So we get again Huawei branded charger, USB charger with 5 volt 2 ampere. So we got a 10 watt charger. We got a white cable, micro USB. Yes, no USB type C. We got our SIM card tool, and in the original selling box, you get of course a first steps guide. You get of course headphones, and you get of course your cover, your see-through cover to protect the device if you want to. So this is it. The device itself, nicely built, nothing moves, well built quality, especially if you think this device costs only 230 euros. Fingerprints, I've already told you about this, and as you can see, you will have to swipe this device often if you want to use it without a case. Then on off button and volume bar on the side, I can reach the volume on and off button and the volume down button with ease with my right thumb. If I operate it with my left hand, I can nearly reach the volume down button, but not the volume up button. So this is definitely a two-hand device if you want to operate the volume up bar. It's 5.65 inch full HD resolution. So we are here at 424, I guess, or 428 ppi, pixel per inch. First impression of the display is okay. We got this 18:9, so this is the new trend, also with, I say, entry-level devices. On top, we ain't got the infrared port anymore, like on the 7X, where also wasn't one, so no infrared ports. On the left side, we get the SIM card tray slot, and it's a dual SIM device. So again, or it's a combination SIM device. You got to choose between 2 nano SIM cards or 1 nano SIM card and 1 micro SD card for more storage. Down here, yes, we still got a headphone jack. We got a microphone, micro USB and speaker. fingerprint sensor on the back side, and we get on the back, we got the 30 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel camera for the depth information to get this bokeh effect thingies. This is okay, this is standard. And talking about standard, Kirin 659, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage. We already know this from the Huawei P Smart, and we already know this combination with 4 GB and 64 GB from the Huawei Mate 10 Lite or the Honor 7X. So this is really familiar, especially with the dual camera on the back side. But now there's an improvement. The second thing that makes Honor 9 Lite stands out. We got the same combination of cameras on the front side. So we get again 30 megapixel and a 2 megapixel camera sensor for the front, for the depth information. And if I start the camera, and then this is the main camera on the back side, and then I switch to the front. And if I try to do this bokeh thingy, I have to say the results, and I'm just starting to play around with this device. Let's turn the screen brightness a little bit down. Oh, I haven't unlocked the device. Now let's try it. Okay, if I turn the brightness down, then you can see, and if I zoom in, the quality, the picture quality is definitely better, or definitely on a higher level than we are used to on other devices. So here is the second thing, that on the first view is better or looks better than we are used to it. So these are the two things that makes the Honor Lite special: the design and the double front-facing camera combination. And the third thing maybe is that it's already delivered with Android 8 and EMUI 8.0. Which makes the whole device faster, which makes the camera thing faster, switching from camera to gallery. This is a whole other experience, like on the Huawei P Smart, compared to the Honor 7X or other devices with only Android 7 and EMUI 5 or 5.1. So this is it. I really have to say, first impression, nice, really, really nice. I like the price, I like the design, I don't like the fingerprints, but this is the price you have to pay for this shiny blue backside. But this is it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!